I'm really privileged to be here and deliver a few words. First of all, I would like to wish one and all a very happy Republic Day. And a thing we just need to keep in mind that India got its independence long back. And this is the day when the Constitution came into force, and the framers of the Constitution thought that they should bring this vast country into one single space. Standing in this campus of the school, we the people should take an oath that we teachers, we the educators, we are educating the new generation. And education is not enough, because without good values, education is basically useless. Now, the question comes in our mind that what are we sacrificing for our country? Because we, the people of India, we should sacrifice something for our country, because this independence was not won in one day. It was the bloodshed of the heroes naming Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and so on.
On 26 January 1950, our country got its constitution. We got our independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. However, the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Since then, we celebrate the Republic Day.
We wanted to have a secular government, but the government political parties, they are trying to divide the people on basis of religion.
Today is the 72nd Republic Day. 72 years ago, on this day, our Constitution was enacted and our country started function as a sovereign and free state. Thank you, all the teachers, for arranging such a good program.
On 26 January 1950, our country got its constitution. We got our independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. However, the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Since then, we celebrate the Republic Day every year. Republic means that the citizen of the country holds the supreme power to elect representatives.
বন্দে মাতরম, বন্দে মাতরম। মাঠ ঘাট পথ ছেড়ে আজ প্রজাতন্ত্র।
तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है, नहीं सौ दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद जो मेरे साथ तुझको तड़पा गिरना थी। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है, बस तेरा प्यार ही मैं तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।